Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another painting video. In this video, I'll be showing you a very easy and relaxing technique to turn your watercolor painting into a beautiful one. So I'll start with making outline of some flowers on my sheet with pencil और इनको मैं सबसे लास्ट में कलर करूँगी. Once I am done with the outline, I'll apply the first layer of the color, and the color I am using here is a tube watercolor. You can use any form of it. और ये फर्स्ट लेयर लगाने का ऑल्टरनेटिव तरीका ये भी है कि आप अपने वर्किंग एरिया दैट इज़ जितने भी एरिया में आपको कलर लगाना है उतने में सबसे पहले एक क्विक वाटर वॉश दे दें. इससे आपको शीट पर कलर लगाना और भी आसान हो जाएगा. And please be very careful while applying color near the outlines and try not to go beyond it. Once it's dried, we'll make outline of some leaves. You can make them as many as you want. Now we'll apply the second layer of color in the remaining background, and this time I'm mixing a bit blue in the green to make sure the shade is a bit darker than before. As I told you before, this technique is very relaxing, but the only problem with this technique is it is a bit time consuming. Once you are done with the second layer, let it get dried for some time. Now again we'll make some outline of the leaves in this darker background. Now we'll apply the third layer, that is the last layer of color in the remaining background, and for that I'm mixing green with more and more of blue to make it darker. Try to be careful around the outlines to give a very clean finish to your painting. Meanwhile you are enjoying watching this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Now we'll give some basic structure to the leaves. For the flowers, we'll start with green around the center. Now I am applying yellow to it. You can choose any color of your choice. For blending the colors well, I'm just using my wet paint brush over the color I have applied. Once you are done, just let the colors get dried. As you can see, our painting is ready. Please hit the like button below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.